Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today we're looking at the 60th anniversary Mustang GT 5.0 liter. So tell me, do you think this is worth almost $4,000 for this package? I really didn't see too much, and glad there was no charge to delete the spoiler. So anyway, looking at it, it looks kind of like a normal Mustang. It did have some different badges on it. So GT 60 years, looks kind of cool. And it has the traditional stuff. They all come with all the generations of Mustang across the back glass, of course. That's not changed. The wheels did seem like they were different, and it had a red logo there, the 60 years, so that looks pretty cool. Kind of a K-code style stripe here that says 60 years, and really not too much more than that I could really see. Different colored mirrors, they were accented a silverish color, different badge on the side. So to me, this is really what people do refer to as basically just a sticker package. Didn't really see any difference with the engine, and we'll show you under the hood here in a minute too. So you really don't have to do too much. Maybe those accents were silver on the front too. That looked a little bit different. So going inside of it, it was like a space gray, I think is what they called this interior color. So it kind of looked like it had white seats at first, but I think they were just gray. So went ahead and sat down. Didn't really see too much different here. And I did have Justin SVT with me, so we were kind of looking it over and talking about how you really don't need a lot of different things, being that the car is already powerful from the factory. You had a few more stickers over here, and the badge is pretty cool for what it is. This was a 6-speed manual. Very unusual these days to have a manual transmission, right? But it looked pretty good here. So around the back, I looked at this spoiler delete is what it's called. It is almost like its own little piece here that replaces where the wing would go. And I was wondering if that was a wing itself, but it says it's a delete, so we'll call it that. Looking at the window sticker, you can see pretty expensive, $60,000 pretty much for this car. And so under the hood, 5-liter Coyote, and your twin throttle bodies and everything, which I don't care for. I don't think any of that was really that necessary. But anyway, I didn't really see too much different other than that. Is that something that you would feel is worth $3,000 to $4,000? Put it in the comments, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks, guys.